Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Brawl Stars application on your iOS device. First of all, launch open your App Store on your iOS device. Tap the search icon at the bottom right and go to the search box at the top and type in Brawl Stars. Once you end up in the search result, look for the Brawl Stars application which looks like this, and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Brawl Stars is a popular multiplayer mobile game developed by Supercell. It features fast-paced, action-packed battles where players control unique characters called brawlers. Each brawler has its own abilities, weapons, and special powers. Wait for a couple of minutes and your application will be downloaded and installed on your iOS device, which you can tap on the open button and start playing. And that is how you will be able to download and install Brawl Stars application on iOS. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.